in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, until 10:45 p.m. At 8:38 p.m., a gust front was located along a line extending from 19 nautical miles northwest of Gunpowder River to 29 nautical miles west of Middle River to 28 nautical miles northwest of Key Bridge, moving southeast at 30 knots. Additionally, thunderstorms were located from Frederick to Westminster, Maryland, and those storms are moving east at 25 knots and could cross the northern portion of the Chesapeake Bay north of Baltimore Harbor between 9:15 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include North Point State Park, Magazine River, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Pools Island, Greenberry Point, Shadyside, Highland Beach, Sandy Point State Park, Gunpowder River, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Hart Miller Island, and Gibson Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.